Hello, I'm Catherine from my hillside garden. I'm here today with my fifth tip for new gardeners. Make sure you have a water supply. Now, you could say, of course I have water. I'm gardening in my backyard. But you need to think, how far away is your hose or the faucet on your house? Do you have to travel very far to get from your garden to the hose? Do you have a hose long enough to get to your garden? Do you mind carrying a 5-gallon pail to your garden? So it's important to be sure you have water available to you. And if not, that you are willing to carry the water to your garden. Some people forget that. They think Mother Nature will take care of everything, and generally it will, but it's always good to have a backup plan. So you should always know that you have water nearby to take care of what Mother Nature doesn't. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and my tip. Have a great day. Happy gardening.